Fun with colors! Hi friends, let's learn how to draw Doraemon. Let's begin with the face. These are the eyes. Wow! Doraemon has come to say hello to all of us. This is the round and round face. If you wish to color the same image of Doraemon, you can go on the description box and download the image from the link given. Let's draw the hands. Subscribe to the channel for more coloring and drawing videos. These are the legs. And that's the tail. It's ready. Let's color with Fun with colors. Can you tell me what color is this? This is orange color. This is red color. This is the nose and this is the tail. This is yellow color. Do you like watching Doraemon? Can you tell me which color is this? Right, this is blue color. Do you like drawing and coloring? What is your favorite color? Let's keep coloring the hands and the legs with blue color. Do you know Doraemon's best friend is Nobita? Wow! Doraemon and Nobita are here to say hello. If you wish to color the same image of Doraemon, you can go on the description box and download the image from the link given. For more coloring and drawing videos, subscribe to the channel. It's ready!